I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action Thrive Automator. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the Thrive Automator dashboard. Create the first automation. Choose a trigger incoming webhooks. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Listen to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application /JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Thrive Automator site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Done. Click on the plus icon and add an action. Email. Add user in autoresponder. You can select the action you desire. I choose MailerLite. Choose a list. Done. Save and finish it. Set the status as active. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.